Tired of unqualified contractors and soliciting bids? You can now contract with Hi-Lite through Sourcewell, a nationally recognized program that grants airports a purchasing solution that satisfies most agencies' competitive bid requirements. Now you can contract with the best contractor in the business with pre-established unit pricing that will satisfy your bid requirements.
Hi, I'm Dave Doon and I'm a contract administrator at Sourcewell. We're the government agency that did the national bid and awarded Hi-Lite a national contract that airports can use to satisfy their bid requirements. Sourcewell is a government agency located in Staples, Minnesota, and we have the legal and legislative authority to bid and award national contracts that our membership can use to satisfy their bidding requirements. Sourcewell has had a relationships with airports for many, many years, and as we got to know the members better, they expressed to us an interest in looking for our help in being able to do a national bid and award in areas that they were having trouble getting good pricing. So we went out and looked at things like Airfield marking paint, glass beads, de-icing, rubber removal, the kinds of services that are offered on a national basis, but that we could bring scale with our national membership. Probably the most important function we have to help our airports buy things through our contracts is the compliance side. So the airport will make a business decision if this is the best way for them to buy, and at Sourcewell, we have the documentation to back up that purchase that it would satisfy their requirements. Now ultimately, the decision of whether it satisfies it or not is that of the agency, but we help them get very comfortable by providing the entire file we have for how we went through the procurement process. And again, they find that in most cases we meet or exceed the same process that they follow to be competitive in their solicitations.
Hello, I'm Audrey Sargent, the Program Manager for the Sourcewell Awarded Contract. My job is to help you determine what you need to get your airfield in compliance. The Sourcewell Contract has made it simple for you to have Hi-Lite Airfield Services come to your airport and conduct an airfield assessment. Through our airfield assessment process, we measure retroreflectivity, check the measurements and conditions of all your markings, and ensure FAA Part 139 compliance. Once the assessment is complete, we will work with you to determine a scope of work. We'll provide a proposal based on the already approved Sourcewell contract pricing. It requires no extra procurement from your airport or municipality. Everything is coordinated through the Sourcewell contract.
Call our Sourcewell Program Manager today to get started. We can visit your airport and assess your needs.
Contact me for all your airfield service needs today.